In this video, I wanted to provide you with some of the places I get design ideas from, and that, of course, will be design books on building plans. You know, you can get them at your home improvement center. You can find them on the internet. You know, it's something to where it shows you a house, shows you, the windows and the doors, and then, of course, the floor plan. And you can look and you can say, okay, I like this design. Maybe I don't want this. I don't want a fireplace. I want the fireplace over here. But you can get your ideas, and this is where I get realistically most of my ideas from. Now, this is actually a building plan book from the 1920s, I believe, and could be later. And you can see here, at least we have bathrooms. Some of the books I have don't have any bathrooms in them, and here you can see a kitchen where you kind of have a sink, you have a range, and there's no cabinets. That was just because in the kitchens a long time ago they didn't have that. And in here this is probably a coffered ceiling in here, a designed ceiling, same around here. But again, that's not what you're going to see on a normal floor plan. So I just look through them, hey, you know what? I like this, I don't like it, I like this porch. You can go through and get as many ideas as you possibly can for your layout. And again, there are all sorts of things on the internet that you can get ideas from. So the supply is endless. And of course, you could always grab a piece of paper, as I did here. I just scanned my drawing in. If I want a straight gable house or a rectangular shaped house, I can just kind of draw some lines in here. And a kitchen, dining room, living room, bedroom, and then of course a bath, 2 bedrooms and a bath. And you can draw your drawings to scale if you want on a piece of paper, if that's going to be helpful, instead of a computer, or you can just go right to the computer and start drawing. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the video here. I just wanted to give you an idea where you can get ideas from. And of course, these books, I probably have about 10 or 15 of these books right now. And I always look through them to see, for the exterior of the building, give me ideas, or the floor plan layouts. I think you can do it too. You want to build your own house and you don't have any idea where to start. That just might be the best place to start.